If your organization relies mostly on grants, I want to tell you something really important. Giving Tuesday is your opportunity to diversify your funding. Grants are amazing, but they take time. They come with restrictions. Giving Tuesday, on the other hand, is immediate. It's a chance to connect directly with your community, to inspire donations, recruit volunteers, and build awareness around your mission. If your organization relies mostly on grants, I want to tell you something really important. Giving Tuesday is your opportunity to diversify your funding. Here's the thing, grants are amazing, but they take time. They come with restrictions, and sometimes you don't get the yes right when you need it. Giving Tuesday, on the other hand, is immediate. It's a chance to connect directly with your community, to inspire donations, recruit volunteers, and build awareness around your mission. For nonprofits, this day isn't just about fundraising, it's about visibility, relevancy, it's about momentum, and it's about showing your supporters the real impact you're making right now, today. And if you're a freelance grant writer, listen up. Helping nonprofits create and manage Giving Tuesday campaigns can be an amazing additional offer, can be an amazing additional service you offer. You can write campaign stories, design donor appeals, or even build Giving Tuesday strategy packages. And it positions you as a well-rounded funding expert. You can even pull your master grant application, use your content for that to create a Giving Tuesday copy for the entire campaign. Then everything the nonprofit does is aligned. This will help you as a freelance grant writer to be not just someone who writes grants, but as a strategist, because you're helping nonprofits thrive with funding all year round. All right, so let's talk about what happened last year at Giving Tuesday, because Giving Tuesday 2024 shattered records. According to the givingtuesday.org impact report, people around the world came together like never before. Over $3.4 billion was donated in the US alone, and that was a 5% increase from 2023. The movement spanned nearly 100 countries, showing how generosity truly knows no borders. And more than 34 million Americans participated, donating, volunteering, and sharing kindness in every form. Even during uncertain times, generosity continues to rise. People are proving that giving isn't slowing down, it's growing stronger every single year. So let's make sure your nonprofit is ready to join the wave of generosity. So what is Giving Tuesday? Giving Tuesday started back in 2012 with a simple idea: to create a day focused on giving after all the shopping frenzy of Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Today, it's a worldwide celebration of generosity, a chance for nonprofits like yours to tell your story, engage your community, and invite supporters to make a difference. Whether your goal is raising funds, inspiring volunteers, or simply spreading awareness, Giving Tuesday gives you a platform to do it together. Here's why this matters for you. Giving Tuesday isn't just one day of donations, it's a launch pad for your entire end of year giving season. It builds buzz, it strengthens relationships with your supporters, and it helps people feel part of something bigger than themselves. In 2024, Giving Tuesday inspired 87% of donors to give more, not less. This means it's the perfect moment to attract new supporters, re-engage your loyal donors, and finish your fundraising year strong. Giving Tuesday isn't just another date on the calendar. It's a global movement, a movement where people around the world lean into generosity in all its forms. According to the official toolkit from Giving Tuesday, organizations can leverage this energy to tell deeper stories, engage passionate supporters, and build community that lasts beyond the day itself. All right, so why participate, and more importantly, how? Here's the truth. On Giving Tuesday, people are looking for ways to give. Giving Tuesday, right? That's the day. That's what it's called. That means you aren't fighting for attention. You're joining a wave. You get to invite supporters and their networks to rally with you. So what does participation look like? Well, it could be a donation drive or a volunteer event, maybe a community festival style activation. Perhaps you'll invite people to lend their voice, advocate, and amplify your work. And yes, you can absolutely raise funds, but more importantly, you're creating a space for generosity itself, a way for people to feel connected to your mission. You don't need to register to be validated by Giving Tuesday. You can simply go to their website, givingtuesday.org. You can download their logos. You can be a part of the movement. To ensure your participation resonates, keep these core messages in mind. Giving Tuesday is a global generosity movement. People and organizations unleash their power to transform communities. While the bigger events happen on the actual designated date, and remember this is always the Tuesday after Cyber Monday or after Thanksgiving, the spirit of generosity lives year-round. Everybody has something to give, whether it's time, talent, voice, or treasure. Funds, and every act of generosity counts. When you craft your messaging, frame it as together we can make change rather than we need your donation. And I would definitely, this is all summary from the toolkit itself on givingtuesday.org, so do go there to get it. And the toolkit is a great source to remind you that donors respond more to relationships, engagement, and meaningful connection than to transactional ask. How to grow your community. As the toolkit explains, your loyal supporters are your springboard. You can invite them to bring their networks along. Here's how. Give your most engaged fans the tools to become ambassadors for you. You can also launch peer-to-peer campaigns. Supporters raise on your behalf. And once again, go to givingtuesday.org because they have a ton of templates and all the things. But you can also just make it easy for them to talk about why they support you. Their story amplifies your message. For smaller organizations especially, this is a streamlined way to scale impact without massive overhead, is to pull in these ambassadors, to pull in anyone who benefits from your nonprofit, and to make them be ambassadors to go out there and be passionate about their stories. If they're using their social media platforms, even finding micro influencers can be very, very helpful. But even if they don't have influencers, if you help serve 20 people in your nonprofit, all those 20 people are sharing about Giving Tuesday and the impact your nonprofit had them on their social media platforms, that is a great way to get your message across. The Giving Tuesday toolkit provides a sample campaign timeline, and I'm going to go ahead and break it down here. So you could definitely start in the summertime. You can start ahead. Choose how you're going to participate. Define your goal. Are you going to raise funds, recruit volunteers, build awareness, a combination of all three? How is that going to get done? And then you want to identify your target audience and desired action. So check whether your city or region has a local Giving Tuesday campaign you can join, or consider leading one yourselves. Then you can send a save the date announcement to your supporters, to your donors, to your sponsors, to your grant funders, inviting them all to mark the day. Weeks before the launch, you want to launch your campaign. Share your story, your goal, your plan. Build momentum on social media, start teasing it, then really talking about it. And consider a matching gift or challenge grant to boost excitement. Do you remember back in the day when you had the telethons and they'd be like, oh my gosh, this company is everyone who calls in the next hour, they'll match your donation, right? You could do something like that as well. It could be a lot of fun. But equip your ambassadors and your peer-to-peer fundraisers with a mini toolkit. You can include the social copy, graphics, and instructions such as how did this program impact you? Go ahead and talk about this. And you could even give an example so they would know how to say that. They would already have graphics to share. It's very low lift for them, so they'll actually do it. Because as much as they love your nonprofit, having the actual tools just to go ahead and go and get set up and have ideas already to get running can be the difference between them posting or not. So the week and day before, increase your posting frequency, increase your emails if you have an email list with your supporters, your donors, your grantors, all of that. Use frequency reminders, 1 week to go, 1 day to go. We're doing this a day before email. Really get people involved. This is a party. This is exciting. This is a day to celebrate your nonprofit. This is a part to really feel involved and to feel that generosity spirit. So make sure everyone on your team, your staff, your board, your ambassadors is aligned and knows what's happening. And then of course, day of, share updates in real time, progress towards your goals, stories of impact. If you're doing a volunteerism day, you could take pictures of what's going on, the progress that's made, all of the things. So much fun. So use live content, so social stories, live stream, hourly updates. Make donors also feel celebrated, not just asked. In my programs, we have a list of names on my wall of everyone who joins my program. I love seeing that behind people during Giving Tuesday of all their donors, the support, etc. And of course, don't forget the day after. Thank your community, staff, volunteers, board, donors, and partners. Share the results. Use the momentum to propel your end of year campaign forward. This is just the beginning. Think about this as a strong springboard. First day, it's closed out. We already raised 50% of our year-end goal on this day. Get really really involved with that. So if you're looking for ways to really get diversified funding for your nonprofit, Giving Tuesday is the way to go.